friends, welcome back to my channel again. Today I am here with a general topic, that is what is good for your teeth and what is not. Many of you asked me to do a video on this, so let's begin.
What do you think about milk? I say yes always. Milk is very good for your teeth as it maintains your teeth stronger because it contains ample amount of calcium. Not only teeth, your bones are stronger due to the presence of calcium in it. So women and children should consume a lot more amount of milk so that after 40s women will not be facing the problems of osteoporosis. As we all are grown-ups, we take a lot of tea and coffee. Remember that it is one of the factors which may develop hypertension in future, and it slowly turns your teeth yellowish brown in color. So it is really not good for your teeth and your health. So avoid more amount of tea and coffee consumption in a day. Cool drinks. We all love cold drinks, but excess amount of consumption of cold drinks leads to chemical erosion of teeth, which may leads to loss of enamel layer from your teeth, which is the strongest part of your body. So after the loss of enamel, it may leads to sensitivity, which is a major problem during these days all over the world. So avoid excess amount of cold drinks consumption to maintain your teeth stronger and healthy. Cheese is really good for your teeth because it contains large amount of calcium in it, and sticky food is really not good for your teeth because it stick onto the tooth surface and it is difficult to remove. So always avoid sticky food to prevent caries. Source of drinking water is also very important to maintain your healthy teeth, because the community water supply which is provided to us by the government, it is very good for your teeth because it contains correct amount of fluoride in it, which prevents tooth caries, and it will maintain your teeth healthy and stronger, and it may not lead to any developmental defects. So source of water is also important during your teeth development. Toothbrushing, does it really plays a role for healthy teeth? Yes, I say, because brushing twice daily will maintain your teeth healthy and bright. So always remember it, brush your twice daily in the morning and evening. We brush our teeth daily. Do we know the correct method of brushing? I'll tell you here. These 4 steps will show you the correct proper method of brushing your teeth. Please observe them and try them. It will help you maintain your teeth healthy. We do not require a large amount of toothpaste. Only a small amount of toothpaste is enough to clean your teeth. The toothpaste should be to the size of a small peanut. Okay, that much amount of toothpaste is enough for you to clean your teeth and maintain your teeth brighter and healthy. Remember that you have to brush your teeth twice daily. Hope my video is really helpful for you. If you really like it, hit a like and drop a motivative comment. It will really make my day. Follow all the measures which I have suggested you to keep your teeth healthy and shine. Let's meet a new day with a new topic. Until then, stay tuned. Keep learning with Dent Learning. Bye bye.